You do not need to install any framework for Python coding because we will be using online Google Colab notebook with Python and PyTorch library. PyTorch is an open source machine learning and deep learning library used for developing and training neural networks based deep learning models. It is primarily developed by Facebook AI Research Group. PyTorch can be used with Python. It is immensely popular in research labs like Facebook and Microsoft. So, what is Google Colab? Colab is a product from Google Research. Colab allows anybody to write and execute arbitrary Python code through the browser and is especially well suited to machine learning, data analysis, and education. More technically, Colab is a hosted Jupyter notebook service that requires no setup to use, while providing access free of charge to computing resources including GPUs. Colab allows you to write and execute Python in your browser with zero configuration required, access to GPUs free of charge, easy sharing. So, whether you are a student or a data scientist or an AI researcher, Colab can make your work easier because Colab notebooks allow you to combine executable code and rich text in a single document along with images and HTML. When you create your own Colab notebooks, they are stored in your Google Drive account. So you can easily share your Colab notebooks with coworkers or friends, allowing them to comment on your notebooks or even edit them. With Colab, you can import an image dataset, train an image classifier on it, and evaluate the model. Colab notebooks execute code on Google Cloud servers, meaning you can leverage the power of Google hardware, including GPUs and TPUs, regardless of the power of your machine. So, all you need to have a browser and a Gmail account to get started with Google Colab. Let's get started with Google Colab. Open your browser and type Google Colab. Open the very first link, Google Colab. It's loading. So if you want to explore the Google Colab features, here in the examples you can see overview of the Colab features, markdown guide, charts in Colab, external data drive sheets and cloud storage, and getting started with BigQuery. We will get started with the new notebook. At the bottom you can see new notebook. Click on that. It's loading. You can rename the notebook. Let's say my notebook. And make sure you are signed in with your Gmail account. I am already signed in. Now let's open the Google Drive so that we can locate where our notebook is stored. So Google Drive and open the first link, personal cloud storage and file sharing. And here you can see go to Drive. I am already signed in with my Gmail account. So my drive is open. By default, the notebooks are stored in the Colab notebooks. You can see the folder here, Colab notebooks. So if I open the Colab notebooks, here we can locate our notebook. Here you can see my notebook. If you want to use the GPU, so go to the edit and then select notebook settings. So here you can see the option of GPU and TPU. So you can select GPU and then save. So changes are saved. Now connect. Here you can see the connect button. So when you connect, Colab will allocate you the resources. So it's now connected. So here you can write the code and also you can add the text. Now we just print the hello world and then hit the run. You can also add the text. Let's move this text tab above the code. So here you can see the arrow. So if you click on this arrow, so text is moved. Now double click to edit this text and we just want to write the description like print hello world. So you can add the code as well as the text sections according to your requirement.